Hello, in this video we are going to see how to get command line help. So there is a switch switch, there is a switch -h and longer switch help to get the command line help. So let's type nRoBo help. It will show you list of all the switches and its description along with it, so you can go through it and its usage. This is its usage and list of all the command line switches like my -h help -i install. So go through these list of switches and whatever purpose is required, use the accordingly the respective switch. And if you have any question, just ask me your question in comment. Thank you.